In this video, let's see how to schedule a quick email. Click on Email in the navigation bar. Select the Quick Email option. In the Quick Email section, click on Send Quick to initiate a new message. In the Send Quick Email form, select Senders. Select a recipient. Select a templates group. Select a template. Click the checkbox to generate an unsubscribe link. To schedule the email for a future date, click on the Schedule for Later button. In the calendar pop-up, pick a future date and time. Click the Confirm button to set the scheduled date and time. Click on the Start Campaign button to initiate the campaign at the scheduled time. Check the details of your credit usage, and once reviewed, click Proceed to continue. The email is now successfully scheduled for later. In the pop-up, click OK to continue. Thank you for watching.